Hi everyone. This is my next project. It's a Honda Bros. I know the tank says Revere, but it's actually a Bros. This is the 400. It actually came with two engines. One's in a bag and a box, and the other one's up on the bench. I'll show you that in a minute. So yeah, this is going to be an enduring project. So I'll show you all the bits and pieces how it came. So here's the other engine, and as you see, I started already doing some work on the forks on the top yoke there. So I actually started to clean it up. I've blasted it and I've painted it, and it's looking like new. So I'll just show you the box of bits. So in the box here we have obviously got the two forks. They've seen better days. I can see a lot of pitting on them. One engine is almost completely in that box with a few bits and pieces, carburetors and stuff like that. Clocks. So this bike is 47,000 kilometers on the clock. So not a bad mileage for one of these bikes. I mean, they last forever. There's a whole load of bits as well. Most of it aren't even from this bike. This is Triumph on it. So there's the carburetors. One set of carburetors. I have two of them actually. Cover for the sprocket. The gears are. So yeah, there's actually loads of stuff there. There's two air boxes. Two looms, two ECUs, there's an alarm, lots of these rear sets. But this is the most interesting bit, just to show you. This is what happened to the last one. It collapsed. So I'd love to know what happened there. There's the other side of it. That must be, there's no way that both sides blew out like that. So I don't know, maybe it smashed or something, maybe someone was playing with it. But anyway, that's what happened to this bike. But yeah, hopefully we can build a bike. Well, there's definitely enough there for one bike. There's almost there for two bikes. If I could get another swing arm from somewhere, and the tank and forks and the seat, and yeah, maybe one bike is enough. So yeah, join me for the rest of the videos and I'll show you how we bring this bike back to life. The plan is to powder coat the wheels. As you see, there's one wheel, it's in bits, and the other wheel is back there. It's not great either. And then the frame, what I'm going to do with the frame is I'm going to get it vapor blasted. So it's going to be nice and shiny and it'll look like new. It's quicker than trying to clean it yourself anyway. And the same with the forks. I'm going to get the forks vapor blasted as well. And then probably going to have to replace the stanchions. So I'll show you the pitting on these. Have a look at it, see, they're pretty bad. So they're probably straight, it's just there's a lot of pitting. Now it's not in the travel, because as you see, the max is around there. It's actually not in the travel, but still, there's still a lot of pitting. So they'll have to be replaced. Replaced or re-chromed. I'd say replaced, it's probably cheaper to replace them. Apart from that, there's a lot of stuff missing. So you might have already guessed, no point shopping a brand new bike if you want to do a kind of a cafe racer style thing. So I've ordered a seat already, and that arrived. You can see it there on the back. And the clip-ons, you can see the two black clip-ons there, they've arrived as well. So I can try and build something like that. Yeah, that's kind of it for this video. I'm going to obviously make a list of all the parts that are missing, and as you can see, there's a lot of parts missing here. So yeah, so first try and kind of get on top of what I actually have and what I'm missing, and I can already see the rear sets I'm missing. Not sure what that rear shock is like. The subframe needs to be chopped in order to accommodate that new seat. The tank will need some sort of an adjustment. It's not off the broth, so it's not a straight on fit, but I can't do that until I have the engine in, so because I need the clearance for the head. So, and the exhaust has seen better days. The two header pipes are fine because they're stainless steel, but the exhaust here is quite rusted. I'm not sure if I'll replace the whole thing or I don't know yet. I don't know. It will be a decision later on. It's not important, and there is no radiator. That's also missing. So yeah, loads of stuff missing. But sure, it wouldn't be a project if there wasn't loads of stuff missing. So just want to introduce you to my next project. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.